guys, welcome back to Keeping Up with Chyna. Today we're back with another video. If you're new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, guys, I'm going to be attempting this hairstyle, the Fineapple. You guys, I've been wanting to do this style for the longest now, and I'm like, oh, why not? Like, I've been I was actually supposed to do it a long time ago, but I just never got to it, you know. So today I decided to do it. The sun's going down, and I was trying to do it when the sun was up so that I can have some pictures. But anyways, we're just gonna do what we can. Okay, so the things that you're gonna need is, of course, some rose water or whatever you use to moisturize your hair, some oils to, you know, really moisturize your hair. You're gonna need a scrunchie, preferably like one that's like stretchy and big, and also you're gonna need some bobby pins or hair pins so that you can like pin your hair. After that, you're gonna need some edge control. I use edge booster to do your my edges, and then you just need something to just tie down your edges, and then yeah, that's it. So we're gonna get started, you guys. So first we're going to spray our hair. I sprayed them already not too long ago, but they just still feel really dry, you guys. Like, my hair has been really dry. And I have my mirror right here, so a lot of the time I'm gonna be looking this way. This is the first time I'm attempting this, you guys, so I honestly don't know how it's gonna turn out. I hope it turns out good, but we will see. All right, so what we're gonna do is literally pull all of our hair up. So like I said, we're gonna put all of our hair up. This part is optional, you guys. You don't have to do this part, but it's totally up to you if you want to do it. I'm just doing this so that it can help lay my hair a little bit better. Alright, you guys, so I got my hair up to my liking. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take some pieces of hair and then literally just like wrap them around. We're gonna grab some of our bobby pin. I have the really big ones, so we're just gonna have to make this work. Gonna take, wrap around. Yeah, so far, y'all, I don't know what's going on. All right, y'all, yo, my hair is not even getting to the camera. But anyways, guys, so far this is what I have. Y'all, I don't know. I just don't know. But anyways, I'm about to do my edges, and maybe when I do my edges, it'll give what it needs to give. I don't know. Let me know what y'all think if y'all made it this far, because I I just don't know. And then my sister just fell, you guys, so she's crying outside. So my mom and my sisters are attending to her. But anyways, I'm gonna tie my edges down, and then I'll be right back. All right, y'all. So it's been like what 5 minutes, and y'all let me know what y'all think. I don't think it's the worst. It just looked like, to me, it looks like a bun. I did like a bun, and then I have all these other things just, you know, coming out. I don't know, y'all. I'm definitely going to try this again to see, maybe, I don't know. I mean, it's okay. It's not horrible. It's not the worst that I've seen. It just looks like a messy bun. That's what it looks like. It's giving messy bun. So yeah, guys, let me know what y'all think. Would I call it a pineapple? I don't think so. I'll call it a messy bun. But I mean, I still think it's really cute. Alright, so let me know what y'all think about the style. I'm gonna get a little closer so you guys can see. It's like a messy bun looking something I would have going on. I don't know, you guys. Let me know what you guys think down below. If you guys think it looks like a pineapple, if it just looks like a messy bun, because to me it looks like a messy bun. I think it's because I have too much hair, but I feel like it just makes it look more poofier. So this part right here looks more like a bun than like, you know, I guess the trunk of the tree. Y'all, I don't know. But anyways, you guys, I still think it's really cute. Okay, it was really quick, I ain't gonna lie. Like, it wasn't really anything crazy. It was kind of hard for me to like turn the hair around and stuff because it kept on getting stuck on my bracelet and all that stuff. But I think it turned out okay. I think it turned out okay. But yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think down below. Leave your comments. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video.